Alright everyone, welcome back. My name's Anthony. This is my channel. This is my shop. I'm driving 122,285 Toyota 4Runner. We just swapped a used transmission. We have a new salvage yard that we've been using over in North Philly. I'm going to call it the Hood because I can. So far, they've been really good with us for pricing, service, and quality for used parts. So what more could you ask for when you're talking about used? I've already did my short road test to make sure it goes through all the gears. We are on the highway road test to see how it performs and goes through the gears. This thing's on big tires, suspension's beat. Got a brake pull, steering wheel shake, a bunch of other issues. But my goal today was to make sure that the transmission shifts and we don't have an engine light for a torque converter. And this thing's all over the road. We're dead today. It's amazing how the light switch is on and then the light switch goes right off. I'm going to drive by Pep Boys on my road test. So far, everything feels good. So anytime that we do a transmission, we flush the transmission cooler and lines, and there's no ands, ifs, or buts. That's the way it goes. And this transmission was completely empty. I'm shocked. I think I called for 7 quarts or 6.5 quarts. And he put 6 in it. Isn't that crazy? Driving by the boys. Boys! Let's see how they're doing. How you doing? How you doing? Not busy, and all the doors are down. It's a heat wave, and they don't have air conditioning, and their doors are down. The mechanic just looked like he had magnets attached to his feet, and that's how motivated he was to walk out to the car, probably to get an oil change and a tire rotation, or a tire blow. Well, I'm going to say I think we're good. As much as I hate installing used anything, and having a over 200,000 mile core built is a waste of time. Better off getting a used unit and rolling the dice, or sending that low mileage core, if they're truthful with you, out and having it, inspected. But I don't know what a Toyota 4Runner costs nowadays, but this one's it's pretty rough. But it runs great. We had to clean the throttle body, wanted a new battery, transmission, air conditioning works. I got the windows up. I think we're good. Sometimes you don't know. This could have just an instant problem next day or 3 months later. It's got a nasty brake pull. Whew. Nasty brake pull. Alright, I think we're Gucci. Thanks for watching.